Are you still worried about your plants being damaged by the cold and frost? Today, I will introduce 3 effective ways to solve this trouble. The first way is using frost cloths or plant covers. This frost blanket is specially designed to protect plants from cold and frost. It is a lightweight, breathable fabric that allows light to penetrate while providing an effective barrier against cold and frost. Place the sheet directly over the plants, using bricks or other heavy objects to ensure that the fabric is in contact with the ground on all sides. Make sure to remove the cover during the daytime if temperatures rise, to avoid overheating or restricting sunlight. The second way is mulching around the base of plants. Apply a thick layer of mulch, 3 to 6 inches, around the base of the plant, covering the soil completely. Mulch could be a layer of grass chippings, straw, leaves, or wood chips to insulate the soil and roots from extreme cold. The third way is creating a cold frame. A cold frame acts as a mini environment that traps heat and protects plants from frost while allowing for sunlight exposure. You can make your own cold frame by stacking bricks or wood board and covering it with glass or clear plastic. Be sure to ventilate regularly, especially during the day when the temperature rises, to prevent it from overheating. I hope these ways help you protect your plants and keep them safe during the winter. If you have other good ways, please leave a comment below.